Hi guys, you already know what's up. So I've just added in oil into a pan and I've added in a blend of peppers and onions. I use red scotch bonnets and red bell peppers and one big bowl of onions to get this mixture. So I've just made the pepper sauce and I'm now going to season it and add in the grilled fish. This rice, guys, I used 2 cups of basmati rice. This 2 cups of basmati rice has been washed thoroughly. It has been washed. I washed it and washed until the water ran clear. So guys, I've just washed it and I've added in the rice into the pepper sauce and mixed it in. So I'm now adding in thyme, black pepper, calabash, nutmeg and crayfish. So guys, I've just mixed it in. I'm now going to stir to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes before I now add in my meat stock. For this recipe, I used 2 cups of basmati rice. I think I mentioned that before. A total of 3 cups of water is needed to make this rice to stand, to not be gummy, okay, for the fried rice. But if you're cooking this rice with a steamer or just as white rice, 2 cups of water cooks 1 cup of rice. So guys, that is what I think everybody should note, but it really still depends on the products that you're using. Okay. So guys, the first water I added in has been absorbed by the rice. I'm not going to add in more water. I added this water in batches, because I didn't want it to overwhelm the rice since I'm using low heat to cook it. So I've just added in half cup of water. Now the rice is done, guys. Please turn off the fire before adding in your spring onions and basil. This is where we'll come to the end of this video, guys. I hope you learned something new. See you guys in my next one.